Hi friends, this is Dr. Neha Khodke from WelcomeCure. Let's talk about migraine headaches today. Are you one of those people who has very little time to eat, sleep and relax, and most of whose hours go in working, studying and traveling? Well, if the answer is yes, then migraine can come calling anytime, because this erratic lifestyle tenses our bodies and the first thing we experience is a headache that just refuses to go. Migraine is a throbbing headache usually seen on one side of the head, accompanied by nausea and disturbed vision. An attack of migraine may last up to 2 days. So let us look at the top 10 causes of migraine. Stress. Stress is easily the commonest cause of migraine, so meditation and yoga can come to your rescue. Unhealthy eating. Today people have become fast food eaters. Our eating habits can have a huge impact on our health. Choosing to eat unhealthy foods like chips, chocolates and processed foods and aerated drinks can increase the likeliness of suffering from headaches. Eating fresh vegetables and fruits and drinking lots of water will help to prevent an attack. Eye strain. Long hours of sitting in front of laptops, mobiles and tablets can definitely trigger an attack of migraine. Eye strain is often associated with headaches. Squinting of eyes for an extended period of time can impact the nerves in your head and trigger an attack of headache. If you are working on the computer for long hours, try using an anti-glare screen or anti-glare glasses. Lack of sleep. This is one of the most important causes for precipitating an attack of migraine. Getting less than 7 hours of sleep at night can trigger a headache. You need at least 7 to 8 hours of proper sleep to function properly. Fasting or hypoglycemia. Fasting and consequent low blood sugar levels may trigger headaches in patients with migraine. Avoid consuming processed or refined foods because it would result in a rapid secretion of insulin, thus lowering blood sugar levels. Hormones. Hormonal imbalance can lead to water retention and acidity, as well as mood swings, which can precipitate an attack of migraine. Sinuses. Recurrent inflammation of sinuses can also cause migraine. Dehydration. This may probably be one of the commonest causes of headache. Your body is made up of roughly 70% water and requires a generous amount of water intake. We should be drinking at least 2 liters of water every day. Also, be aware that coffee and aerated drinks are often dehydrating. Modern medicine can only give temporary relief by painkillers and muscle relaxants, but homeopathy, on the other hand, can do away with migraine completely if the root cause is known. Homeopathy offers excellent scope in treating migraine, both for acute as well as chronic attacks. We have more than 200 medicines for the treatment of migraine that can help to control the tendency to get the headaches. To know more about how homeopathy can benefit you, you can get in touch with us by logging on to www.welcomecure.com or calling us at 98335 98553 or alternatively mailing us at askme@welcomecure.com. We would be happy to help you. Till then, take care and happy health.
The thing about healing is, if it's not from the roots, it's not enough. Choose what's best for you.
Homeopathy heals from deep within the body, curing diseases better.
Seek expert opinion from world-renowned doctors at the convenience of your home. Zero side effects, zero interference. Choose homeopathy. Choose WelcomeCure.